Are you still running your trousers like this?
Traditional hanger issues causes unsightly clamp marks, wrinkled legs, lost creases, waist space, makes finding items difficult.
Are these frustrations testing your patience every day? It's time to use our kav-Mousant trouser racks to solve all the problems at once.
Clamp marks non-existent. Features a widened, bridge-style clamp design, gently cradling your trousers like a pair of hands to completely eliminate waistband wrinkles and clamp marks. Wrinkles make them disappear. Scientifically, zone hanging allows the trouser fabric to relax naturally using gravity to maintain the sharp, factory fresh crease with ease. Fragile, wear stronger, made from high strength with a load capacity far exceeding ordinary hangers, providing long-lasting protection for your beloved garments.
What you are missing isn't more trousers, but a hanger that understands them. Don't let poor storage ruin your expensive trousers and waste your valuable time.